Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and send filters on Snapchat. How you can create your own custom filters on Snapchat. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, just open the Snapchat application in your mobile and then tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner. So for this you have to go to create.snapchat.com. so once you are logged in, this is what it's going to look like. So from the left side of the window you can upload or you can choose from the templates to create your own filter, and also you can edit the color, the text and the elements of the filter. Now once you are done editing and creating your filter, you can tap on next and you can configure additional information such as location, the time and date, duration and all of the other stuff. So that's how you can create your own filters and you can use on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.